Sorry guys. So now this is solving. This is a 3-point problem, but in this case, we have uh, same elevations. Bali, our contacts or the exposed outcrops have same elevation. So how would we solve that? So if we observe on our map, we have this, this, and this, which are the same. Tapos, the first point natin, the highest elevation natin is 210, which is this one. And the other two has the same elevation, which is 170. These 2 points. And we all know na if same ng elevation, that would be, or that could be, or that will be our strike. So how will we solve this? Compared to other 3-point problem, this is much easier, okay? So, first thing na gagawin natin is we connect the three, let's, 3 points that we have generated. Connect natin to here, this one, and the top. Let's connect all the 3 points. Now that we've connected that, we will connect this midpoint papunta sa ating this line. It will connect our midpoint papunta sa ating two, tawagan niya, two same elevations. So we'll connect this. Ayan. It should be straight half perpendicular from this. So now that we've connected this, how do we solve na? So the first thing that we will do is, let's create a triangle. Our top, what is our highest elevation again? 210. Our lowest is 170. Right? 170, yeah. So for us to know this, we need to subtract 210 to 170, which is 40. Yan. So 40, we already have this value. How will we get this value? So this value represents this one. Okay? So paano natin makukuha ito na value? How will we plot it here? So we will measure this in using ruler. Using our ruler. So that's at least 5.1 or 5.2 centimeters. So this is, let's say 5.1 na lang. 5.1 centimeters. Now, how will we turn this 5.1 centimeters into its actual na ano based on its scale? So, natay scale diri sa baba. Okay? Wait, hindi makita. This one. So, we will measure that using our ruler. So, according to the scale, our 100 meters is at least 1 centimeter. Tama ba? I need to verify on my notes. Yeah. Okay. So at least 100 meters is same with 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 100 meter. So we will convert 5.1 centimeters into meters para murag maski same scale diri So from there, 5.1 centimeters, centimeters sa baba para ma-cancel out, 100 meters will turn 510 meters. Now, what's the next thing to do? We will use tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent or TOA. So, what is our opposite? Opposite of our angle? This one, right? 40. 40. Our adjacent is this one. So, 5.1 centimeters in 2 meters is 510. So, that's our adjacent, 510. Then, we will transpose tangent dito para ma-isolate ang theta, para makuha natin ang angle. So, maging arctan or tan negative 1, 40, 510. So, let's plot that in our calculator. We will have at least 4.48 degrees. So, that value is our true dip angle. Okay? That's our true dip angle. Now, how will we know our strike? How will we know our strike? Since na naman tayo so final answer. Dip angle 4.48 degrees. Strike deep direction. How would we know strike in deep direction? Let's go back here. Since this is our strike, how would we know kung sa atong gamiton? Since atong true deep direction is either here or here lang. Okay? So how would we know? We will base our strike based on the elevation. Dapat ang true deep direction natin is descending ang kanya elevation or pababa. So, if atong true dip is over here, it is wrong. Because if you base on the elevation, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, it's increasing. So, dapat dire ang atong true dip direction. So, we will extend this line, pababa. So, it goes here. Yan. Yan. Next thing, para mabalaan na to atong strike is we will place a Cartesian plane on this intersection. Okay? So let's just here, yan, yan. Then to know the angle, we will use protractor. So based on right hand rule, unsa na strike atong gamiton, this one or this one? We will use right hand rule. So dapat since this is our true deep direction, we will use this following right hand rule. Ano. So strike man eh. So kanina strike. Kay kanina strike atong gamiton, mao ni na deep direction atong gamiton. Okay? So kanina strike atong basean, so mao ni itong i-measure. So we will measure that using the protractor. So 90, that's at least to 10, 20. Ay, mali. Sorry. Tama ba? Wait lang. Nasa mga 30 degrees. Nasa mga 30 degrees or 29, I think. Dapat may answer. Ay, ang akong value is 29 degrees. So, this is 29 degrees, no? This is 29, di ba? I measured that. From here, naka-measure ko 29. So, how will I know? So, since nasa sa may southeast, dapat, di ba? So, ating strike is magiging already southeast. Then for us to know this value, we will subtract uh, 29 ba? No? 180 minus 20. I know. It's 20. Okay. So for us to know this value, no, since para may bala na to, kani manggod ang ato ang dapat ang angle na makuha. So since 29 eh, if we assume that this is 90, subtract lang natog 90, ang mabilin man is 61. So ang atong answer is 61. Dili ka na itong kaon ha, kani. Gikan ta sa south. So, okay, usbon ako Since, mo naman na itong strike gamiton, pag measure na ko ani, it's 29. Pero dili man kaning 29 itong gamiton. Kay dili man siya east to west, dapat west to east. So, since 29 ang nadiril, ma-assume na to na mabilin dire 61. So, kani atong gamiton kay ang value man na sa angle na gamiton nato is from south to east. Okay? So, our strike is south 61 east. South 61 east. And our true deep direction, which is this one, kuan man right hand rule southeast, so direction na northeast. Okay? So, if iisa na ito nag-answer, atong answer is south 61 east 4.48 northeast. Okay, northeast southwest southwest. Mali na mali. Kani man itong strike southeast, so ato ang deep southwest. Okay, clarification na mali ko. Okay. So, mao na itong final answer.